if somebody wants to do manufacturing in Vietnam, but they don't want to start up a legal entity, they don't want to rent a facility, they don't want to hire workers, they just want to come in and
produce their own,
like lease a line.
Yes, I can do that.
How would you do it? Would you lease it by month, or would you lease it every 6 months?
Oh, we are flexible always. So whatever they need, just tell us first, and then we can consider or discuss about it. But some people prefer not to outsource or anything, just because we can control every single licensing, like a quantity, like every single they want, what they need, and we can.
Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a Vietnam sourcing expert who's been living and working here in Ho Chi Minh City for 15 plus years, and I've built up an amazing network. Today, I would like to introduce you to Hiro, who's from Japan and who has been here as long as I have, producing promotional items. He's got a small factory in District 6 that uses single needle machines to produce things like coin cases, tote bags, handbags, canvas bags, flags and banners, and pillowcases. He can either do your production for you, or he can lease a line to you. Leasing lines from factories is a quick and easy way to get production set up in Vietnam. You don't have to rent a facility, you don't have to hire staff, and you don't have to get yourself set up as a legal entity in Vietnam. So without further ado, here's more information about Hiro, his history, and what he can offer you. When was the first time that you started to manufacture yourself in Vietnam?
Yeah, 2011. The beginning was like a share with some friend's place, it was Tam Phu. Then in a year or two, I moved my own place, still in Tam Phu, but 10, 20 workers to sew and a small but with a sublimation planer in it.
Tell us about your history with the Japanese soccer clubs.
Yeah, J-League. We used to provide all the products for them, and then also baseball and J-League, which is soccer. We used to make each players,
players' uniforms.
Uniform and number, and the quantity is all different. We were doing it, even I put the name, whatever. So we are very flexible to doing whatever the detail, and even also the professional baseball and then J-League, they have a licensing sticker, so they will control the quantity as well. So if it's not more than enough, we have to return, that kind of detail. I mean, so we can control that. So I born in Hiroshima, Japan, and grew up there until 15th, and then when I turned to 15, went to US. It was just a high school, the programs. As an exchange student, I went to Sacramento. Well, I'm as a Japanese, but most of the people say you're not like Japanese. Not the typical Japanese maybe. But
and what about the education? Was it easy? Did you find that?
Not at all. I mean, easy is only for algebra at that time.
You were strong in algebra.
Only that, because I could see. I mean, I don't understand that time at all. And after I graduated from high school, back to UC Davis.
What did you study at UC Davis?
I was doing economics and then psychology as
well. Did you start a small company when you were in university?
I was in university. I was just doing my first business.
What was that?
It was a hip hop clothing import from US to Japan.
So the hip hop clothing was manufactured in America, and then you took it back to Japan?
Yeah.
Wow.
But at the very beginning of hip hop, nobody even know that hip hop what it is. Mixtape and all those, jewelry So, but that time, everybody, like a retailer in Japan, they come to fly to US and purchase as a retail, then hand carry back to sell like that. So that moment already, I had a wholesale price, and then bring it back to Japan is wow, big difference.
Wow. Where's your facility?
We are located District 6, and then it's in the city, so very easy to access from the Ho Chi Minh City inside.
So if you would like to produce small accessory items that use single needle machines like pillowcases, coin cases, flags and banners, or tote bags that use sublimation printing, then contact Hiro, produce with him, or consider leasing a line in his factory. Or contact me. I can introduce you to other people like Hiro doing other products in my network. Thanks for listening. Have a great day, and remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Contact information for Hiro and myself are in the description below.